Say hello.
Oh, hi, my name is Jabril. And then I'm a good friend today.
Look at the camera.
Huh?
Say it again. Say what's your name?
My name is Jabril. And then I'm a finder. And then I don't want to miss you.
Okay. So, what are you building?
A trouble. Like a maze.
A maze? Okay. So there's a lot of Legos in there, right?
Yeah.
There's so many different Legos. And what is that? Is that a roly-poly?
Yeah.
Jabril, a roly-poly right there? How did a roly-poly get in here? He's wiggling, trying to figure out what he's gonna do. Okay, this is a pretty cool car. But you gotta build something fast. They wanna see something fast. Can we show your friends something fast? All right, so show mommy what you can do. There's a lot of things to do in here.
The little foot right there.
Okay, what are you doing? Are you adding it to the car? Oh, nice. What are we gonna find in this thing right here? Customize, test drive, and show off. Woohoo! We gotta find some really cool pieces, Jaja.
No, we don't. We just gotta build Oh, not working like that.
Okay.
Not
So what are we gonna get? Tell me what you find. What are you looking for?
Rocks.
Rocks?
Yeah, and rocking little
Okay, let me see.
metal.
Metals? Oh my god, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, bro. Actually, I can call you a bro.
This guy is pretty cool. Let's see what Jaja's gonna figure out he's gonna get now. What is a roly-poly gonna do? What is he doing? Oh my god. He's sitting there waiting for you to build something. Oh, Jabril, you gonna build a ride for the roly-poly?
Huh?
You're building a car for the roly-poly? Oh, yeah.
No, I'm not.
Okay, let me see what you got. Let me see it. Okay, we gotta go get you some water or something because you were running, so. Ooh, yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna do
This guy looks like he can be added to something here too. Look at that. That's like a weird looking monster car. If you had some wheels on that bad boy, that'll be killer. Look at that. What? You just dismantled the car. Can you rebuild it? Let me see you rebuild it. Can you rebuild it?
I don't know how.
You don't know how? You can do it, Jaja. You're a smart genius. All your friends love when you rebuild your cars. Okay, let's find out. What are we looking for? Look at all those pieces in the Lego ball. Hey, Jabril, what are you doing? Come on, let's build something. Come on, come on.
Hi. I don't know yet. I'm taking out this big box of this like wood brick, and I'm gonna pick out. Yeah, I'm just taking out stuff that I know.
Okay, Jabril, what are you doing? Oh my God, you just left the car. Oh my God, this is so cool. This is amazing. That's a train. Those are some pretty big pieces too, Jaja.
Here's another train piece.
Wait, thank you.
We got person.
This is pretty cool, Jaja. I like it.
Ooh, this is a number train. So these are the numbers for the train. There's that one.
Whoa. That is awesome. Oh my god.
Now do you have more?
I know there's more numbers in here. There's that one.
Oh wow. There's so many big, oh my god, there's a lot of pieces. So, Jabril, what are you gonna build?
Ooh, can I have that?
This
Oh, that has windows. Is that windows?
window. This not.
Look, you could build something.
This
You could
is
build a chocolate window.
carrot.
Whoa, that's like a beehive. Ha.
Another window.
Oh my god, there's so many options, Jaja, to choose from. This is,
Why is it so many options?
it's awesome,
Another
yeah.
number.
Whoa, it's so many pieces, oh my god. This is crazy, Jaja.
Another little person. Here's number 6 and number 2. Let's see.
So what are we gonna build, Jaja? There's so many, I see you with the train. This is the train. You can go around, it's pretty cool.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Lego store.
There's a lot of pieces in there. Oh, these have numbers on them, Jaja. Look, these are numbers. That's pretty cool. Number 6.
Can I have that?
Like this.
You guys, this
Yeah, these are all letters.
Whoa, that's pretty cool. It's like a big train you're building, Jaja. That's amazing.
oh, this.
Oh, that's pretty cool. What is it? It's called the Organic Market. Ooh. That's a train that can carry stuff and vegetables and fruit.
Here's the front of the train. It's the front of the train. I have a little dog. Another person. This is for the carrot.
Oh, look at her. Hi, hello. Hi. And look at the little bees. Looks like a pineapple.
Number 5.
Number 5. Are you trying to break it apart? Oh my god! Oh man!
Another part of the train.
Oh, you're rebuilding a train over and over from the very beginning. That's pretty cool.
Another wheels if you want to add more to the train.
Oh, that's a pretty cool one. That's a black one. Jabril, your roly-poly, where is he at? Let's go get the roly-poly. Oh, we saved him. Oh, he was all alone. He was so sad. The roly-poly was so sad. Okay, and there he is right there. He's safe and sound with Jaja. Okay, now Jaja, what are you going to build? Let's build something. Come on. Whoa, that's pretty cool.
What is this?
More numbers.
Ooh, this is just going. Oh, la la. Oh, la la.
Oh la la. He said la la.
Ooh,
More letters. These, I can make trees with these. They're like little circular ones.
We can do a lot, huh, Jabril?
This. More letters.
That's a castle.
oh. Oh my god, look at this.
Whoa.
And it has a Z on it. That's pretty cool, Jaja. I like that. Oh my god, you're making it taller and taller and taller.
Windows.
Whoa, that's a pretty cool guy. Don't be careful, be gentle. Don't do it so hard so he doesn't fall.
Yeah, tree.
Ooh, look at that. That's pretty cool.
That is tall. Hi everyone, welcome to my Lego store.
Okay, Jabril. So look, you have a whole bunch to play with now. You got your train. Let's build one more thing and then we have to go, okay?
No, not what they did.
Hello, welcome to my Lego store. Bye everyone, have a nice day. See you next time. I like these little characters. These are my favorite. Look at the little tree.
Look at
Sitting
that.
on the tree.
Hello. Hello.
Another tree.
That's more windows.
More windows. No, I think that's all the windows that we have.
3 windows?
No, I think that's it.
Whoa, we just morphed that into a whole nother train.
This one here. That one here. That.
Can you do it? Can you put it on? Yay! Whoa, that's pretty cool, Jaja.
I'm not done yet.
You're not done yet?
No.
Okay. Where's your roly-poly? Where's the roly-poly? Aw. All right. All right. Well, what else are we gonna finish?
That's number 2?
What happened?
That's number 2?
Number 2, I don't know where number 2 is. It's probably lost somewhere. Maybe someone took it.
Ooh, that's a new. What's this?
Watch what? Let me see what you're doing, Jaja. Show me, show me, show me.
Whoa. Are you making an alphabet tower?
Don't break it.
I'm looking for the letter E. Lego.
Whoa, look at that. Ha 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 ha. That's those Lego. It's a cool set. Oh my god. Oh my god. Be careful so it doesn't fall, Jaja. Oh, here's another one. Look, here's a big one here. Look. Oh no. Look. Here's a big. Here's number 3.
Bye, have a nice day.
Number 2. Number 3. Number 3.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Lego store. Bye, have a great day. See you next time.
What's number 4?
What happened? Ooh, number 4. I don't know. Let's see. There's 5. 5's right here. Number 4. Maybe it's this one? No. I don't know. Oh, right here.
Boy, and number 5. Actually, number 6. And number 7.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Lego store. How's it going?
That's
Number 9.
Yeah.
And then number 8.
I have my little tree.
Are we missing number 8?
Give me the 8.
Number 8. I don't know.
I don't know.
It should be around here.
What?
Huh.
Boom. Boom. Yeah.
It's not that yellow one over there.
Boom.
Upside down.
Boom.
No, it's not that. Huh.
Let me see what you're building. Oh, it's a numbers train. Whoa, that's pretty cool.